Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Veronica.
And I'm Miss Darlene. And today we're going to have fun counting. Math Madness. We're going to guess how many Skittles and Gummy Bears we have in our bag. Okay, I think that there's a total of, let's say 40 in all. 40 in all.
I would say maybe 37.
Let's see.
We're going to count it, come back, and let you see.
Okay, you got it.
Girls, we did our count and we're back. I counted, because I had the gummy bears, I counted 4 green, 6 red, 2 orange, 3 white, and 2 yellow. Made it to be a total of 17 gummy bears.
And I had 31 Skittles. I had 9 yellow, 7 orange, 4 green, 3 purple, 8 red, and that's a total of 31.
And we added both of them together and we came with the total of 48 pieces. So make sure you go in your bag and count each piece, count each color, and make sure you add them up. Remember, no cheating, so there's no eating.